My warmest welcome to the AOS community, and especially to our new students, faculty, and staff. Since its founding in 2007, the university has grown into a leading institution for higher education in Iraq and its Kurdistan region. AUIS is a private, not-for-profit university operated for the public benefit and with no investors. Our students come from all over Iraq and the Kurdistan region, from Erbil and Sulaimani, Mosul and Kirkuk, Baghdad and Basra, Najaf and Al-Nasiriyah, Germany and Australia. All our students attend AUIS because of the opportunities it offers for a better life for them, their families, and their communities. At AUIS, we are dedicated to creating and building these opportunities. We are proud our surveys indicate 80% of AUIS alumni are employed or pursuing graduate study in places such as the Netherlands, United States, and Japan. We are proud of all of our students who work hard to meet the university's demanding academic requirements to achieve a brighter future. At AUIS, learning outside the classroom is just as important as learning in class. Whether you join us on campus for your first term, your final term, or any term in between, I wish you a successful and enjoyable experience at AUIS.